What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE and ENHYPEN just dropped Future Perfect Past the Mic. Why did that? Well, I struggled to say future. I don't know why.
Cheesecake.
Not that future. But Software Serve, aka Peter, he's been working. He worked on a B-side called, let me double check actually. Go follow him on Instagram if you haven't already. TFW, That Feeling When. So shout out to him. But this is the title track, Future Perfect Past the Mic. I never checked any of the teasers actually, so I'm not I'm literally going in here blind, literally, which I feel like that's exciting as well, because sometimes I don't like watching teasers because it really, I don't know, it sets a tone, then you have like an expectation. Sometimes teasers are just a tease and you don't know what's gonna happen. Before I get into this, shout out to my Twitch, guys. I'm gonna be on Twitch later today at 6 p.m. PST, so come through if you haven't already. Follow the Discord, link in the description. Also, go check out the music video if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's check out ENHYPEN, Future Perfect, Past the Mic, official MV. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Three, captions on, 2, 1. Off the bat? Like that, my guy? Wait, let's go. Okay. The little girl in the back. Hey. Hey. Whoa, dog! Hey, yo! We going off like that? Going off like that? Let's go. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my. This man is growing up so fast before our eyes. Ooh. They look so badass. Okay, they're breaking it down. That was a lot. That was too much. Let me get my boba. Oh, they look so good. Oh, I love the outfits already. Hey. Did Jake just burn a person alive? Was I a hater? He just went like that. Woo! Bring it. Let's go! I knew he was in a puffy jacket, I swear to God. Pass the mic. Hey! This boy better stop, I swear to God. Look at it. Got the hair on point. You know that's the lady killer. You know that's the killer. That's the killer right there. When you just go like that. Especially when you have the hairstyle. Except when I do, I look stupid. Ooh. Oh, he's dangerous, bro. I keep on saying it each time. That's scary. I forgot they have lore too, of course. My heart's beating fast, yo. It's about to break down, right? What is that? Oh, turning back time, that's right. Hey. Oh, pass the mic. this shit is so hype. They look good. They sound good. They look badass. It's a lot, yo. Pass that mic. No way that's it. No way that's it. Run that back, run that back. Let's go, Jay! This that song. That's all I'm gonna say. This that song. This that song. Let's go ENHYPEN. It's sweaty in here. It's like a club up in here and it's only me though. Imagine if clubs have boba. Do they? Is there a club that have boba? I don't even like going to clubs. I just like being in my room and turn it up. That's it. That's the video. I'm gonna go listen to this and stream this a lot more. Leave a like, share this video, and subscribe. If you relate to this, reshare this ish, tag me. Let's go ENHYPEN. I gotta check out the album too. But keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. You have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.